Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to another 143 scale video. So this time it's a model without the original box, but as you can see it's been taped. It's been probably displayed like this from the previous owner. So I got this one from the flea market and I found out what is the manufacturer for this one, and it is Detail Cars Platinum. I think it's a company that is under like Corgi or something. So that is all I found out. I found out also that this model exists as a full-on. This is like a soft top, so it exists also as a convertible and as a hard top. So that's the information I found out about this model. Besides that, as you can see, it's a Ford Taunus Badew. Interesting car. I've seen this car once in real life, and it is very tiny and unique looking, that's for sure. So enough of that, and let's get it out of its imprisonment and off the base and look at it closer. Okay, there's that. So first look, looks fine. It is staying kind of crooked on the base, but it's not touching the base, so it's I have high hopes that it won't be crooked when we get it off. So there we go. The base looks very rounded. So yeah, as you can see, it does say Detail Cars. There's the manufacturer. The base is plastic. Very simple. Has a painted exhaust system. So yeah, so the color is like this light minty color. These don't have opening parts, and luckily they don't. The top is a separate piece. It is plastic, so it's not just matted metal. The body is metal itself, like I said, base plastic. The tires are rubber. There's the back. We have inserted tail lights. The back pieces is also separate, like the back grill. I don't know what's it called. The bumpers are a separate piece. Yeah, the lights look, the light on the right looks kind of weird. The hole for it is a little bit lower than the other one. The other one is centered. This one's like low down, so it looks weird. It looks like a face. So we have the grill also. We have inserted details for turning lights. The bumper is a separate piece. And what does it say on the front? Should be saying, yeah, it says Taunus on right there in the middle between the headlights. We also have the windshield wipers, which also look good. Yeah, there's the front glass piece. Since it's convertible, sure, it's supposed to look like that. Yeah, a pretty nice little model. Also a manufacturer that I don't have any models from, and I'm quite happy with this one. So yeah, let's have a roll test though. It's straight, so it's fine. It just was crookedly screwed onto the base. That was it for it. That was all that there was. And yeah, a very like a very nice looking car. Never expected to have this one as a car model in my collection, but there you have it. Got it in the flea market, so if somebody would have offered me for a higher price, I probably would say no. So yeah, there you have it. Hope you guys like. Oh, I can't speak. Sorry. Hope you guys liked the video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe, and let's grow the channel. I really want to hit that 1,000. So, ciao for now.